was making a video of it. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Brooklyn. And Great Alien Games has issued a tornado warning and it destroyed a house that's actually up there. Please take an underpack shelter immediately. If you cannot find shelter immediately, take a battery power rig and take your underwear off and fly. This tornado is very dangerous. It is a very dangerous tornado. Again, Great Alien Games has issued a tornado warning for this game. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. So please take a pack shelter in place immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Hey!